Gĩikarainĩ na andĩki a mohoro wabici-inĩ cia ministry ya gĩthomo nĩ kũmũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kanjũ njerũ ya ũrũgamĩrĩri wa university ya Moi Professor Noah Midamba anĩrĩire mogarũrũku ũtongoria-inĩ wa university ĩno.
The Vice Chancellor Professor Isaac Kosgei began his 8-month annual leave on Thursday, January 30, 2025. The Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academic Research and Extension and Student Affairs, Professor Isaac Kimengi, has proceeded on a 1-year sabbatical leave. The Deputy Vice Chancellor, Administration Planning and Strategy, Professor Engineer Henry Kiriamiti, has proceeded on a 1-year sabbatical leave. The Chief of Finance Officer and legal officers have been suspended.
Mogarũrũku-inĩ maya ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũnini wa Vice Chancellor university-inĩ ya Embu Professor Kiplagat Kotut nĩwe ũgũkorwo akĩoya ithenya rĩa Professor Kosgei ta Vice Chancellor wa ihinda.
I have the honor to announce the new acting Vice Chancellor of Moi University, Professor Kiplagat Kotut, sitting right next to me.
I take this opportunity to call upon all stakeholders of the university, the students, the parents, the suppliers, the members of staff, that the success of the university is not going to be delivered by one person.
Professor Haemba Ongeti nake ũrĩa ũkoretwo university-inĩ ya Moi kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 38 nake nĩwe mũnini wa Vice Chancellor mwerũ.
As Deputy Vice Chancellor for Academics, Research and Student Affairs, I hope to assist management and council to deliver the mission of Moi University.
We know that we shall raise resources to help us turn around Moi University. We intend to restructure programs to ensure that students graduate on time, to rebrand the university.
Na kuona gũtonyio kwa ũteti nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa magiritanĩtio na kũhagũka kwa university ĩno ya Moi, atongoria ya maugĩte nĩ meharĩirie kũiguithia ateti igũrũ rĩa kĩoneki kĩao.
Engage politicians and have them understand the mission of the university and how that benefit the larger community, not only that community, but Kenya and the rest of the world.
Commission ya kũhũrana na ungumania EACC hamwe na rũhonge rwa ũtuĩria DCI nĩ marathuthuria ũhoro wa ũrũgamĩrĩri mũũru wa university ĩno ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgũmĩirwo nĩ mathĩna kĩhĩri megiĩ mbeca. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangũi wa Mwangi.